It's not pretty, but I melted. I took this thing right here and melted it perfectly. Soldered. Actually, this is the way it came out. This battery is no good. All they did was solder both sides there, so I just got one of my chargeable batteries. So here's my next invention. This was a plug-in only, so I took it apart, rewired it, took some metal pieces, soldered them down, put some holes in there, screwed in new holes. Window. Okay, it's not pretty, but it works perfect. Here's my positive and my negative. Take a little battery. It fits in there nice and snug and ain't going nowhere. And just hit the little button. And there you go. Got you a little portable light. Let's do this. Now I'm gonna put a head strap on it. Nice. Thanks for watching.